Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Toddler Bike Helmet Kids Helmet Mermaid Knee Pads and Elbow Pads set, a must-have for young adventurers aged 3 to 8. This enchanting mermaid-themed protective gear set not only catches the eye with its vibrant design and DIY pearl stickers but also ensures full protection with a sturdy helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards. Safety is our top priority, and that's why the skateboard helmet features a hard shell with shock-absorbing inner padding, while the knee pads boast a hard exterior and soft interior to guard against scrapes and bumps. Designed to grow with your child, the helmet fits head circumferences from 19.65 to 21.6 inches, thanks to its elastic straps and adjustable rotation knob for a snug and comfortable fit. With 11 air vents, the helmet keeps your child cool and comfortable, while the breathable fabric of the knee and elbow pads ensures a pleasant wearing experience. Perfect for multiple outdoor sports like scootering, skateboarding, and roller skating, this protective gear set makes an ideal gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Keep your little ones safe and stylish as they embark on their next adventure with this comprehensive protective gear set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.